Hi friends, now we are going to talk about that topic is Python casting. In Python casting, we have to specify a variable type, that is the main important. So, there may be times when you want to specify a type onto a variable, this can be done with casting. Python is an objective oriented language, and as such it uses classes to define data types including its primitive types. Here casting in Python is therefore done using constructor function, that is specify a input variable type can be represented as integer of like this. Okay. What is the meaning of this role is here constructs an integer number from an integer literal. A float literal, I mean by removing all decimals, or a string literal providing the string, it can be represented in terms of either single quotation or double quotation. And the second one is float. Similarly, that float indicate construct a float number from an integer literal. Okay. A float literal or a string literal providing the string represented a float or an integer. Okay. Simply third one is str, string. Similarly, construct a string from a wide variety of data types including strings, integer literals and float literals like that. So, we have specific variable types are 3. Okay. For example, if you take x is equal to integer of 1, we are giving that input is 1, okay, but that is the number is 1, that number can be converted into 1. So, here this is a comment. What is the meaning of this? Here x will be number 1. Okay. For example, if you take y, now we are representing that integer from this value is float. Okay. You are taking that float, here the input value is float, I mean in terms of decimal values, but that number can be converted into integer, then you will be get that y will be 2 only. Okay. Before the decimal value you will be get that data. Okay. Next, simply you can take that z is equal to integer of in double quotation or single quotation. If you here this is actual string that can be converted into integer. Finally, z will be 3. Okay, we are not getting any single quotation. This is the best example for this. Similarly, this is actual example 1 for integer, all are we are having integer. Simply you can take that x is equal to float of 1. Okay. Actual here the number is 1, but what you will be get at result, here we are applying this value is integer can be converted into floating. Okay. So, finally, you will be get that value is here x will be 1.0. Okay. Floating function always it can be represented as decimals. Okay. Simply you can take that value is y is equal to float of 2.8. How can you represent this function is as usual, here this input is float, output also float. So, finally, we will get y will be as this function, okay, that is actual 2.8. And the third example is z is equal to float of in double quotation we are applying that number integer 3, then z will be 3.0. Okay. If you observe that all responses here 1.0, 2.8, 3.0, whatever the data you have, the total data can be converted into integer form. Okay. For example, sometimes you may take that for example, w is equal to float of in integer like this is actual 4.3 you are applying. What you will be get the result is then W will be 4.3. We are converted in terms of decimal value. And similarly, that example 3, this is for only integer, this is for float, this one is example 2, this one is example 3. Here example 3, simply you are taking that x is equal to str of string, whatever the data you have, okay, that it can be represented in terms of as it is data you will be get. So, that output you will be get that x will be your name. Okay. For example, y is equal to string str of 2, then it can be represented in you are applying that input value is integer, but it can convert into string. So, result will be y will be 2 in single quotation or double quotation. Okay. Next, last one is z is equal to str of 3.0. You are applying that input is float, but it can convert into string, then that z will be 3.0 in single quotation. Similarly, here first data also you will get single quotation, all are in single quotation. This is the example for Python casting. So, the final conclusion is a casting represent that which type is it. So, there may be times when you want to specify a type onto a variable. Okay. Thank you. Now, the same example will implement in PyCharm. Simply I am taking that small x is equal to integer of 5. Next, y is equal to integer of 5.8. So, actually we are taking that 5.8 is a floating, but it can be converted into integer. Next, z is equal to integer of the string value. You better to take that in single quotation or double quotation. If you take the value is 5. Okay. So, generally what is the comparison of this expression is the first x value is in bracket, the value is 5 is the integer, that can be converted into integer. So, next one is 5.8 is the floating, but that can be converted into integer. Here in double quotation or single quotation, that value is string, but it can be converted into this. So, finally we are going to execute that expression for this is the right click and go to debug main.py. Then you can press F8. That is F8. Here you are getting x is equal to 5. Similarly, you are getting x integer value and press F8. Then y is equal to 5. So, simply you can observe that this value is integer value. Okay. Next, like that you can check the expressions of all these concepts. This is called as Python casting. Similarly, you may use that. Another example is here. For example, take a is equal to floating point of that. For example, I am taking the value is 5. After execution of that, you will get 5.0. Okay, whenever you are converting in terms of floating, that it can be represented as dots, fraction of value. Simply you can take b is equal to float of 5.8. Next, c is equal to float of, in single quotation or double quotation, we may take 5. Okay, this is the actual procedure for representing this. Otherwise, you may take another one is c is equal to float of the string. Okay, string value is simply you can take the value is 5.8. At this moment, if you execute the entire process, you will get this type of results. So, simply I am going to write that print of a, next print of b, Without print, you can use the debug operation, and you can check, you can press F8, then you will be C, print C, then print D. So after execution of this program, you will get the results. First one is actual A value is 5, but it can be represented as 5.0. Floating as it is 5.8 as it is data. Next one is string, that it can be represented floating, that value is 5. Next one is 5.8 as it is number, it can be represented in terms of fraction values. So this is the example for Python casting. Thank you.